My name is Lleana. I've been in Hangzhou for a little bit over 8 years now, and it feels like my second home. I graduated from my master's at Zhejiang University. I love Hangzhou very much because it's a perfect combination between nature and modern. So you can have both peace and quiet and then be part of the modern world. By having Alibaba being headquartered here, it means we are a smart city and we get to try everything firsthand. Life is actually very convenient. Talking to my friends back home, I always say that actually living in Hangzhou is like living in the future. You know, you get to see and experience everything. I have a 5-year-old golden retriever baby girl, and she's one of Hangzhou's favorite dogs, extremely friendly, and we like to just go around the city and sometimes even Zhejiang province. We try to explore as much as we can. Actually, autumn is one of my favorite seasons in Hangzhou. In my opinion, it's the perfect weather. It's not too hot, not too cold. The colors change so much, and the osmanthus flowers are making the entire city smell amazing. I also opened my own company 3 years ago here, and we also have Hangzhou Community, which is an international platform for foreigners in Hangzhou and for international locals. And that became a source for information, and we still have a lot of friends asking questions today, not just about government related information but also places to go eat or explore Hangzhou or any other questions really. I do really enjoy Zhejiang Tsai. We like to explore and go to a lot of different restaurants, both local, Chinese, or foreign as well. We get to try in Hangzhou, and it's made living in this city that much more amazing. I believe the city and life here can be really good, and there's a lot of opportunities. I'm sure that everyone would really enjoy it. So come on, welcome to Hangzhou.